All right, everyone, let's do this video for Ryan. He's got this box of 20 Firebirds, all going to one winner. As we stated right before I started the video, we are going to have a moment of silence for this gentleman right here who suddenly passed away at the age of 36. Thanks, everyone. I haven't had to do that in a video before, but it's needed when we lose one of our fellow disc golfers. There's a list, 1 through 50. .443, 5 pages of proof. All right, let's go over to random. Green lock is secure. And there's your refresh. We've got 1 through 50. Good luck, everyone. Number 2. Our hearts go out to the family of Mike Powell. I'm sure they're dealing with a lot of grief right now. 444, number 2. Number 2 is going to be Derek DeMond. He put down diamond, but it's Mr. DeMond. Congratulations, man. 20 Firebirds coming your way. End statement coming in at 445. Thanks, everyone. God bless Mike Powell.